Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by getting OneNote installed and signed in. This gives you access to your notebooks across devices. Open Play Store, install OneNote, and grant storage, camera, and microphone permissions so you can add images and audio. Next, sign in with your Microsoft or school account. Make sure to use the account that holds your notebooks. Once done, tap Sync in Settings to pull recent notebooks. Doing this now avoids missing pages later and saves time as you create. Now focus on building structure. Create a notebook, add sections, and open a new page. You'll want to pick a section name that reflects the topic so retrieval is fast. Use the plus icons to add type text, ink with the pen tools, or insert photos and audio. This is why you enabled permissions. Once content is in, organize by dragging pages into section groups and applying tags for tasks or important items. Make small, repeatable naming rules so your notebooks stay tidy as they grow. Finish by syncing, sharing, and validating that everything is saved. Tap the notebook menu and force sync. Check the timestamp to confirm changes uploaded. To collaborate, tap Share, choose Invite or Link, and set Edit versus View permissions. If you ever see missing pages, don't panic. First check Wi-Fi and sync status. If problems persist, clear OneNote's cache, confirm storage permissions, then sign out and sign back in. This usually resolves most sync errors and restores access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.